My paper, the name, the title of my paper is The Mytho-picture, on the combining of myth and nature in the patriotic landscape. The aim of my address is to reflect the merging at the time when Poland was non-existent as an independent state, independent country. Merging of myth and nature in a landscape that I will call patriotic. I shall dare to do so, since I will extract the significance of this merging, that is, the endeavor to reclaim the motherland. Hence arises the concept of the mytho-picture. The mytho-picture is a neologism of my own invention. And I should restate its definition. In tying the myth with the picture, I mean to emphasize the process of the integration of the patriotic myth into a landscape, understood as a process of interrelation, of interchange of society within the environmental system. This process appears first as reception within the mind of the reader, with the transformation surpassing the mental sphere of extending also in the real relation with nature. The mytho-picture is thus something different than mythopoeia, which is the practice of myth-making in fiction. I am referring to the process that takes place between the creator and the receiver, as well as the reader and the environment, that is the landscape. I have presented my reasoning concerning the creation of a mytho-picture in my paper. Now, I would like to develop this idea, how such a form of myth tamed by the landscape evolves in the author's mind, and how the impressing of their creation into the text is something done at the outset, but is by no means a decisive process. The mytho-picture appears in the mind and consciousness of the reader. The essential process consists of a sort of transformation in the mental attitude towards the environment, and as a consequence, has a real impact on the process of the feedback from the environment. This is the Polish landscape, and in my presentation, I propose to identify it with woodlands, puszcza, wilderness of the eastern borderland, Kresy, with the forest homeland. I shall refer to this Polish landscape as patriotic because during the period of statelessness, it would restore the Polish people's lost agency. It meant the recovery of the motherland. I will endeavor to show the manner in which the myth situated itself within this depiction, essentially in the web of relation, stringing the character together in the environment, one having been by fate taken away from the people in the stories, taken away in the sense of having their agencies limited. Tying the myth with the picture gives the sense of a word restoring that agency. The Mytho-picture is a design of the mind, a creation set free by literary work. And it is thus a search for the motherland through the experience of the landscape, reflected as the real relationship of the pole with the woodland environment. And this is the end. Thank you very much.